The Geeetech official website has been completely revamped and relaunched. We have comprehensively upgraded and optimized the site to provide a clearer, smoother browsing experience. For this website upgrade, we have reorganized the content structure and optimized the visual presentation. The overall design is now cleaner and more sophisticated, featuring a clear layout that eliminates clutter and redundancy, enabling every user to quickly find the information they need. We have completely revamped our navigation system, featuring more logical and scientifically organized categories by refining the classification of key sections such as hot-selling items, filament bundles, 3D printers, filaments, and the blog. We have eliminated the hassle of cluttered browsing, enabling you to reach exactly what you need with a single click. Click the plus sign on the image to go directly to the purchase page for the corresponding machine or filaments. Here are some popular featured offers, including links to purchase multi-roll filament packs, the most visually striking filament varieties, options perfectly suited for bamboo models, and more. Up next are some interesting maker videos. You can also use the links below the videos to go directly to the corresponding purchase pages. Finally, there are tutorials on 3D printing techniques that teach you how to distinguish between different types of filaments and how to slice models, as well as how to troubleshoot common issues encountered during the printing process. The revamped official website features optimized user services and communication channels by integrating various service touchpoints such as inquiry forms, online chat, and contact details. We have streamlined communication and simplified the consultation process, ensuring efficient service support for you anytime, anywhere. Moving forward, we will continue to optimize and upgrade, repaying the trust and support of every user with more professional presentations and superior service. We invite you to visit our official website for more details.